Hey guys, welcome back to Hype RC. In today's video, we're going to be doing our first upgrades to our second UTB18. We got this guy in the black and green. It looks super sharp. The very first upgrade we're going to do on this are a set of these Treal 1.55 rims. They just came out. We got them in gunmetal gray. So let's get this thing on the bench and take a look at these, and then we'll get them on there and we'll take it over to the course and run them and see how well they make this guy perform. Stick around and check it out. All right, guys, let's take a look at these Treal 1.55 beadlocks that we got. These are all aluminum. They are the Wagon vintage wheels. We got them in gunmetal gray. They do come with the 12mm hex on the back. Factory box says they weigh in at 103.7 grams. We'll throw those on our Sky RC weights and see what that translates to in real world. They are 38 millimeters high by 26 millimeters wide. They do come with a pack of 2.5mm screws to put them together, so that's good and beefy to hold these guys on there. We're going to put the factory tires that actually come from Axial on the UTB18. These are the Nito Trail grapplers. They come with a very light foam in them. I think we'll keep that light foam in the front, but I think we're going to put a little bit stiffer foam in the rear. I have these left over from another project that I was doing. Now, if you don't want to buy these, you can cook off the factory tires. This was from my Fox Body UTB18, and with the heat gun, some patience, and some leather gloves, you can cook these off and get those factory tires off and install them right there on these rims instead of going out and purchasing. But these are only like $12 a set, so super cheap. I really like them. They're a good soft sticky compound. So let's get these put together and get this thing out on the course and see how well it does. All right, guys, let's check out the weight difference on these. So we've got the factory wheel on the right is 50.1 grams, and then the Treal beadlock on the left is 146.7 grams. So that's a significant amount of extra weight added down low. Let's get these guys put on and see what they look like. All right, guys, let's go over how these Treal 1.55 aluminum beadlocks performed on this stock Axial Capra UTB18. I like the setup, and the pros are that it keeps the center of gravity low. It adds all that extra weight down low, so it stays planted a lot better than the light factory wheels and tires do. The Nito Grappler MTs have a ton of grip. They are a great tire. It keeps the scale look of this vehicle. The only cons that I saw out of this are that the light white foam that comes in the front of this rig is just too light. You can see where the front tire actually completely compressed all the way to the rims a few times on the course. So that is just not something you want. But if you paid attention, the rear foams that I put in this helped it perform a lot better. So I see some anti-foam and maybe some two-stage foams for this setup, helping it improve even better than this did over the stock setup from the get-go. They look amazing. Treal always does a great job on looks, and their hardware was really nice. So I recommend this to anybody that's looking to stay in the 1.55 wheel and tire size. I did have to vent the tires because the Treal beadlocks don't have any place, so I suggest going ahead and venting those tires yourself with a small drill. 180 from each other is my general go-to, but all in all, I like the Treal 1.55 beadlocks. So don't forget to support your local hobby shops. Bash, crawl, repeat. Hit that subscribe and like button and ring the bell so you can catch my next video. We'll see you next time.